This is episode 2 of the virtual tour video series for articulating legibility. Today, Sarah Kernohan will walk us through KWAG's first slow or close-looking tour, where we take a closer and slower look at two works from articulating legibility, Smoke and Mirrors by Michael Snow and Motorcycle Accident by Thomas Lax. Sarah Kernohan is a Kitchener-based visual artist whose work focuses on landscape, large-scale natural events, and memory. Sarah has exhibited her work nationally and internationally, including at Armure in Montreal and the University of Waterloo Art Gallery. Sarah's work is in private and public collections, including the Perimeter Institute for Theoretical Physics in Waterloo and Line Gallery in North Bay. As Sarah walks us through our prompts, we're going to leave behind anything we might already know about these works. We're also going to lean into our intuition, as opposed to any expectations we might have of ourselves as we experience the art.
Let's start by taking 5 deep breaths together with our eyes closed or at half gaze. We will follow this animated circle to guide our breathing. Each time the ring meets as one circle, it's time to take one breath in and then out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. What's drawing you to the image? Focus on the details of that particular area of the art. Were you drawn to its familiarity or relatability? Maybe you were drawn to its unexpectedness. Do you notice anything strange? Tune into what your mind and body are experiencing. Imagine hearing the crackling of the fire and the smell of smoke as the fire burns the edge of the print. What path is the fire taking until the print disappears completely? Is it a slow fire or a fast one? Place yourself in the work. What are you thinking and feeling as the person in the image? What story would you tell about the cause of the fire? Where in the image is the mirror? What does it reflect, both visually and symbolically? What do you think is happening here? What happened just before what we see? What will happen after what is here? Do you notice how the artist placed us above, like we are looking down? How does this perspective make us relate to the artwork? Take a moment in between to process, to write, to walk, to discuss, or to simply sit with the art. Trust in what pulled you into the image to begin with. Now, as we see these works side by side, let's briefly touch on some observations made by KWAG Senior Curator Krista Mori. Focus on the lens of the camera in the snow image on the left. Do you notice how it lines up almost exactly where that central circular motif lands in the lax image on the right? As you hold your gaze in the lax image, compare the grayed out area with the large white circle in the snow image. This broader circle acts as a defining field. In both images, Michael Snow and Thomas Lax ask us to piece together fragments of an event that may have led to its making.